Hi everyone, so we're going to talk about our last section here, which is going to be soil. So about 38% of Earth's surface is used for agriculture, which is really important because that's where all of our food comes from. So we're going to take a look at our soil. So soil composition, our soil is made up of all different types of minerals, organic matter, air, and water. And our soil is also influenced by our climate, so our weather outside, organisms, different landforms, parent material, and time. So if we take a look at this picture over here, we can see all the different types of organisms that we can see inside of our soil itself. So we see a couple different types of animals, insects, some plants that affect it, the soil fungi, and all those different things that are going to influence the health of our soil. So some of the things that are going to influence it here is going to be weathering. And I feel like these are terms that you've all heard before. So weathering, it's the physical and chemical breaking of rocks and minerals into smaller pieces. Erosion or deposition is the pickup, transport, and drop-off of material to one place or another. So this is kind of like just moving our soil around, where weathering is different. It's a physical and chemical breaking. And then our last one is decomposition, which is the breaking down of waste, organisms, and organic matter into smaller molecules. So if you've ever seen a tree that's fallen in the woods, it's going to start to decompose. Using different animals are going to help decompose it, and it pretty much is turning all of that organic matter back into our soil. So taking a look at our different horizons of soil. So our horizons are distinct layers of our soil. And if you look at these different profiles, you'll see all these different layers. So we have O horizon, which is a litter layer, all the stuff just right on the top that we can see, leaves, sticks, anything like that. We can see topsoil is our A horizon. E horizon is our leaching layer. B horizon is subsoil. C horizon is weathering parent material. And H horizon is parent material. So taking a look at these a little more in depth. So again, our O horizon is our layer of just organic debris. So leaves, pine needles, twigs, animal bodies, anything like that. Our A horizon is our topsoil, so it's different organic matter and minerals that are all mixed together. Our E horizon is our zone of leaching. So we're going to see all these different types of elements. So iron, aluminum, organic acids move from our upper horizons to our E horizons. Our B horizon is a layer of subsoil, and that's going to be mostly mineral material. And then again, C horizon is our weathered parent material, and H horizon is our parent material or bedrock. So looking at some of our characteristics here, so our soil scientists define 12 major groups of different types of soil that there could be. So soil groups are classified according to their properties. So different properties are gonna include color, structure, pH, and texture. And then our soil texture is gonna be based on particle size. So if we take a look at this image here, sand, when you're just looking at it yourself, sand is very small, but compared to other soil types, it's one of our largest. So if we look here, sand is that really big one up here. Clay is very, very small. And then we have silt at the bottom, which is kind of our medium size. So we can see all these different types of soil, and we can see that they are put into this kind of weird looking graph here that's looking at in a triangle, so it's looking at our percent of silt, our percent of sand, and our percent of clay within each of our soil types. So we can see all these different types of soil here in our triangle. So that's where we're going to end for this chapter. Make sure we take our notes, make sure if we are missing any notes to go back. This is going to be really important because our test is going to be coming up since we have finished all of our notes, and we'll be preparing for that test in the coming week. Okay, if you have any questions like usual, make sure you ask, and I'll see you soon.